Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Shotcut in your computer device in a very simple way. Shotcut is a cross-platform open source video editor with no watermark. So it's a very simple to use and download. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Shotcut. Click enter and then you're going to get Shotcut home. So I'm going to go for directly to the Shotcut download into SourceForge. Click on that, click on the download, and you can see that your download will start shortly. After that, you're going to get the download message. So click on the download. And here the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, you can simply click on it to install and minimize all the background tab and click on install for all users. Click yes for the permission. Click next. Check create desktop icon. Click next, install, and click on finish. And as you can see that right now the Shotcut will be opened. And as you can see right now the Shotcut is rightly opened in your computer. So how you can simply edit it in your computer, if you want to know that, you can simply comment below. But it's a very useful app for the video editing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.